Assalamualaikum and good day. In this video, we are going to demonstrate to you on how to simplify each of the following interval. Okay, so let's go to the first one, example A. So example A is x from -4 to 5 union. Okay, we want to find the union with interval that starts from 3 to 7. Okay, so maybe we can code them in colors. So maybe we can represent this interval in blue line, while this one we represent them in red. Okay, now let's have the number line over here. Okay, and then let's locate the numbers. So we have -4 here, we have 3, we have 5, and we have 7. And as we agreed just now, we are going to represent the first one, the one that I circle in blue, as a blue line. Okay, so on top of -4, it's a circle, and we need to put an empty circle because there's no equal sign in the inequality over there. Okay, next, on top of 5, another circle on top of 5, but the circle is empty because there's no equal sign in the inequalities, and afterwards we combine them. Next, for the red one, the back one over here from 3 to 7, we need to put them down here. Okay, so down there is a circle on top of 3, but since this inequality has equal sign over there, okay, so we need to have a dense circle. So same goes to 7. On top of 7 is another circle, but the circle is a dense circle because there's equal sign in the inequality, and afterwards we combine them. So how we're going to find the union between the blue line and the red line? It's easy. Okay, union means we combine both of them. So we combining either elements from each interval. So it starts from -4. So -4 also we accept because blue has it, and then we continue until 3. 3 both has the element, until 5 they share the same element, and then proceed to until 7. So the answer is from -4, open bracket, up until 7. It's not open bracket, I'm sorry, it's a empty circle over here. Okay, and then at the end of 7, it's a dense circle. So the answer is x from -4 until 7, or rather you may write it like this. Okay, so you can choose. Okay, so let's go to the second example. Where's the black line? Good. So we have -2, we have 1, we have 3, we have 6. So the first one, maybe we can have red. Okay, so on top of -2 is a circle, but this is don't equal sign, so empty circle. On top of 3 is a circle, but it's a dense circle, so combine. Okay, let's use blue color. This one, on top of 1 another circle, on top of 6 another circle, but there's a equal sign over there, so dense circle on top of 1, while on top of 6 there's no dense circle, it's just empty circle. Then we combine. Now this is intersect. Intersect means common element. Okay, so when let's go from -2. From here, -2 only belongs in red, but blue doesn't have it, so we cannot take. There's no common element over there. There's no common element from -2 up until 1, but 1 they share the same element. So they share the same element until 3. Okay. These are the only interval that they share the same element, but not here and not here. Okay. So I just rub it off. So the answer is from 1 to 3. So as you can see here, it's a dense circle, so the result is a dense circle. Over here is a dense and dense, so it's a dense circle as well. So the answer is X from 1 to 3 with equal sign. Okay, with equal sign. Or you may write it as 1, 3 square bracket. Okay, so let's move on to the third example. Okay, so we have the lines over there, and then we have what's that? We have 2, 3 and 4. Yes, and then we can represent this one in red. So a circle on top of 2, another on top of 4, but both does not have equal sign inside the inequality, so we use empty circle, and then we connect them both. Best blue. Okay, now, so how about this one? So X is greater than 3. It's just a circle, empty circle on top of 3, and then it's going to the right. It's an arrow pointing to the right. How to know that? We just put line over here, so that's like an arrow going to the right. So from here, let's find the union. The union means that any element we can take and consider as our answer. So from the left, starts from 2, we accept until infinity. Okay, so the answer is from 2 to infinity. So the answer is that X is greater than 2, or or 2 positive infinity, open. Okay, so that's all. Maybe I zoom it out for you to see in total the solution. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.